How to install and charge your Samsung Bespoke AI Steam Vacuum. Number 1. How to install Bespoke AI Steam Vacuum. Ensure you have all the necessary components needed to install the clean station. Make sure there is enough space around the clean station. Leave 0.5 meters on the left and right sides and 0.8 meters in front. If the wall in front is made of a highly reflective material such as metal or marble, leave 1 meter of space. Attach the leveling screws to the bottom of the clean station. If the unit feels unstable or tilted, adjust the screws incrementally until it is perfectly level. Firmly push the supplied power cord into the port on the clean station. Ensure it is fully seated. Tuck any excess cord into the storage groove on the back of the station, leaving only the necessary length exposed. Check that the washing plate and wash filter are correctly installed on the clean station. Align the base plate with the marked area, then press it in the direction of the arrow until it is fully assembled. Place the clean station on a flat floor near a power outlet and connect the power cord to the outlet. Remove the protective films attached to the charging signal transmitters. Now, remove the side brush protective cap from the robot vacuum. Discard the side brush protective cap after removing it. Remove the 2 bumper protection gaskets from both sides of the product. Now let's fill the water tank. Hold the handle on the top of the clean water tank and pull it out from the clean station. Pull the lock on the lid to unlock it, then open the lid. Fill the clean water tank with clean water up to the max line. Do not use detergent. This may damage the product. Close the lid completely and press the lock until you hear a click. If the lid is not completely closed, the product may not operate normally and could be damaged. Install the clean water tank into the clean station. Number 2. How to charge Bespoke AI Steam Vacuum. Place the robot vacuum on the clean station manually to start charging. Due to battery safety regulations, the product is shipped with a low battery charge. Fully charge the robot vacuum before using it for the first time. The status indicator lights up red, orange, or yellow depending on the battery level. As charging progresses, it fills gradually and turns green when charging is complete. When cleaning is complete or the battery is low, the robot vacuum automatically moves to the clean station. If the battery becomes low during cleaning, the status indicator flashes red, and the robot vacuum automatically returns to the station to charge. This happens when the battery falls below 8% in vacuum mode or below 15% in mop mode or simultaneous cleaning mode. You can also send the robot vacuum to the clean station to charge during cleaning. If the battery is completely discharged, move the robot vacuum directly to the clean station to charge it.